Hello all. We are going to learn checkpoints and validations in this tutorial. What is checkpoint? As given in Catalan website docs.catalan.com, checkpoint is a snapshot of test data taken at a specific time. A checkpoint is used to verify whether the current state of the data source is different from its previous taken state. An example where checkpoints proves to be helpful are database validation cases where value usually changes constantly. In short, checkpoints can be used for the normal database validation or for the validation of the application after test execution with the expected results. To explain checkpoints, I will record one script quickly. Using the same Cura Health application. This time I am recording it again as I want to record it till the make appointment. I have booked the appointment. I'm taking this object as well, appointment confirmation, and I have clicked on logout and this is done. I will click OK. OK. My test is test appointment. Okay, my test is generated. You can add the checkpoint by clicking File, New and Checkpoint, and you get this window to add the checkpoint. I will add the checkpoint named checkpoint 1. You can add test data or Excel file or CSV file or database file and click next button. It will ask you to provide the test data file, browse the test data file. Once you browse the test data file, I have these two test data files. One is internal test data file, one is external. How to create internal and external test data files that I have explained in my earlier videos of data driven testing. So you can refer that. For now, I will take the internal data file and click on finish. Once I click on finish, I got the internal data file which was there, and I can add the checkpoint to it. If you see this file, here small checkboxes got added to it. These checkboxes, when you check it, you add it as a checkpoint and this will get verified while testing. But I want to verify the appointment confirmation text. So what I'll do, I will open the data file and I will add one more column as confirm, and in this column I will add the text of appointment confirmation. This way I will add the text. I will close this. I will browse this file again because I have changed it and click on text snapshot. It will bring that newly added column for the checkpoint. In this checkpoint, I will check only this checkbox of appointment confirmation. Close this checkpoint. Apart from this, I will add one keyword over here, that is verify checkpoint, and I will select the checkpoint over here. Rest all I will keep as it is. I will tell you the meaning of this false and true. This is log changed value. Log changed value, which is boolean, and it is false for now. We will change this to true and we will check what happens. I will say OK, save, and we will execute it. It executed and passed. Let's check the checkpoint, and it has checked for the checkpoint data and the source data and saying that it is matched. This was checkpoint validation, wherein it has checked that the appointment confirmation text is available. Yes, it is available, and it said OK. It is passed and matched. Now I will change this data file again from appointment confirmation to appointment cancel. OK, I will save this. One more thing I want to show you is console, wherein it is showing the result of verify checkpoint as this way. Okay, it just shows that it is verified the checkpoint. Next, I have saved this. We will execute this again. Since given expected result was not matching with the actual results, it failed. Checkpoint data and source data are not matched. Here it is given. In console, we can see the similar way that the unable to verify the checkpoint. Root cause is the checkpoint data and source data not matched. But here the actual and expected result is not shown, or the checkpoint data and source data is not shown over here. So how to do that? How to show that data over here? For that, you have to go to test case, and the step where we have mentioned verify checkpoint, go to checkpoint and change the log change value to true. We will mention it as true, say OK, and we will save and execute this again. This is again going to fail, but we will know why is it failed, what was the checkpoint value and what is the actual value. This is failed again. But if you go now and see here in the log viewer, it is showing the same result, that the checkpoint data and source data is not matched. It has not showing over here. But in console, you can see that the checked value does not match at position row number equal to 1, column number equal to 3. It has also given which row and which column of your data file is not matching. And checked value is appointment confirmation, but the current value in the data file is appointment cancel, and that is the reason it is not matched and the test case is failed. This way you can use checkpoints to validate your data. In the script mode, you can see the verify checkpoint code like this. You can change here true or false. The similar way you can use one more verification keyword, that is verify equals. With verify equal, you can check two values are same or no, or expected result and actual result, or you can check the two objects that are same or no. This was about checkpoints. If you are new to this channel and would like to learn Catalan Studio from beginning to advanced, then please click subscribe and bell icon below this video. Thank you.